Yo, what is going on, guys? So I've got here a Monopoly Go mode right here on my device, on my iPhone, and this mode is working for any Android and iOS devices. So if you have an Android device, then don't worry, this method will also work for you. I have an iPhone, but it also works for any Android devices. So how this mode works: so if you need more money or rolls, then you want to have this modded version of Monopoly Go. So if you want to add more money, all you need to do is to click on right here, and each click gives you 100k of the money. So that's how the mod works. And if you want to add more rolls, then you need to click right here, and each click will give you 1k of rolls. So this is very easy mode, and this is the modded version of Monopoly Go. I will tell you how to download it into any Android or iOS devices, so you can add as much rolls and money as you need. So this is the modded version of the Monopoly Go, and to download, all you need to do is to go to your browser and go to the emulator page, which is bluedeals.app. As you can see right there, go to this website and find here Monopoly Go mode. Click on the game icon and select your device, Android or iOS, and if you click on it, it will start the downloading process for you. So as you can see right here, so this is the easiest way to get Monopoly Go mode on any Android or iOS devices. So this is a very short video, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy the Monopoly Go plus.